32. The Adoration. This is the Makki Surah revealed in the middle Makkan period. It has 30 verses in 3 sections. The surah discusses some of the doubts and arguments of the non-believers against the principles of Tawheed, Risala and Akhirah. It invites human beings to think and reflect on their own selves and on the nature surrounding them. Everything points that there is a wise and powerful creator for this universe. He has not created all these phenomena in vain. The creation has a purpose. Introduction to the sections. The Quran is from the Lord of the worlds. Allah created the whole universe. He created human beings, but some human beings deny the resurrection. Number 2, the difference between the believers and non-believers. Number 3, the mission of Prophet Moses, peace be upon him. Take lessons from the history of other nations. Science of resurrection in nature.